Hey, we are glad you're here, and it's our church's gift to our community. We really, as you'll notice, we don't take an offering. We don't allow others to seek donations or anything like that, because we want this to be our gift from our church to this community. Just to, we are thrilled to be a part not only of the RiverBend, but also of Bethalto in this area, and it's just our gift to you. So we want to say that we hope you have a great time today. We want to thank RiverBend Bounce for bringing out the bouncers, and I just personally want to say a thank you to all the volunteers from our church who spend literally hundreds and thousands of hours preparing for this event, and they do a great job. Christy Limley is our outreach director for our church, and she's in charge of all of this. Lastly, I want to thank the village of Bethalto and some of the other local police departments, fire departments, for coming out and supporting this fireworks event. They do a great job. And so can we give our firemen and policemen and the village workers from Bethalto a big hand of appreciation?
First of all, let me thank you for all taking the time to come out this evening and enjoy this festivities with us. We're excited to be a community like Bethalto and to have the opportunity to have churches like Cornerstone, who steps to the plate year after year and brings this presentation to you. Someone said to me earlier, you know, that the crowd looks a little down. I said, trust me, by 8:30, 9 o'clock, there'll be thousands of people here. And rest assured that throughout the entire area back here, all the people that you see here, there's twice that many people along 140, out in the airport offices, along the areas over on Airline Drive, and of course along 111. That is a blessing to this community. So on behalf of the village board, myself, the residents of the village of Bethalto, we welcome you. We ask that you continue to enjoy the show. I want to know who was in charge of praying for weather, though, because it was Phil Snyder. See, that goes to show you, if you want something done, you can go to Cornerstone Church, and they can even change the weather. Okay? But anyway, thank you again for coming. Thank you for the opportunity to serve this community. And thank you to Cornerstone for bringing this to us in their way of saying, thank God for the country we live in. God bless you and have a good evening. Thank you.
Oh, sing and you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rockets' red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled